question number 9 of exercise 7.2. Okay, so listen what the question is. Question is saying find the coordinates of point which divide the line segment joining A -2, 2 and B 2, 8 in 4 equal parts. Okay, question is asking to find the coordinates of 3 points. Okay, coordinates of 3 points which will divide the line segment joining 2 points A, B in 4 equal parts. Okay, so first of all we will draw a line segment and we will assume the points which are dividing line segment AB in 4 equal parts. So let P, Q, R be the points on the line segment AB such that AP is equals to PQ is equals to QR is equals to RB. Okay, as these 3 points are dividing AB in 4 equal parts. Okay, AP is equals to PB is equals to QR is equals to RB, and let their length is K units. Okay, units means it can be meter, centimeter, millimeter, whatever. Okay, so AP is also K, PB is also K, QR is also K, and RB is also K. And we have to find the coordinates of the points of division. Okay, as PQR is dividing line segment in 4 equal parts. So coordinates of division we have to find, but we don't have the ratio of division. Okay, we don't have the ratio of division. So using this equality only, we will find first of all the ratio of the division of these 3 points. Okay, see, in order to find the coordinates of P, we need to find the ratio of AP and PB. Okay, so here we have AP upon PB, as AP is K and PB will be what? PB is 3 equal parts. AP is 1 equal part and PB is K, K and K, means K plus K plus K means 3 equal parts. So AP upon PB is what? K upon 3K, which will give us 1 upon 3, means the ratio of length of AP and PB is 1 upon 3. That is ratio of AP and PB, that is M1 is to M2 is 1 is to 3. Similarly, we will find the ratio of division of AQ and QB and AR and RB. Okay, see, AQ is 2 equal parts K plus K and QB is also 2 equal parts K plus K. Okay, so AQ upon QB is 2K upon 2K is equals to 1 upon 1. So ratio of division of AQ is to QB is 1 is to 1. It means what? Q is the midpoint of AB. For the coordinates of Q, we will apply midpoint section formula to find the coordinates of this Q. Now see, AR and RB, ratio of division of AR and RB. A to R is 3 equal parts, K plus K plus K, 3K. Okay, and RB is 1 equal part. So AR upon RB is 3K upon K, which is 3 upon 1. So ratio of division of ratio of division of AR is to RB is 3 is to 1. Okay, AR is to RB is 3 is to 1. Now using this ratios only, we will find the coordinates of P, Q and R, which are the points of divisions of the line segments which are dividing the line segment AB in 4 equal parts. Okay, now for coordinates of P, we will see for the coordinates of P first using section formula only. For P divides AB in ratio M1 is to M2, that is 1 is to 3. Okay, P is dividing AB in ratio 1 is to 3. So using section formula, what will do? Coordinates of P, which is xy, will be given by M1 into x2 plus M2 into x1 upon M1 plus M2, and y coordinate will be M1 into y2 plus M2 into y1 upon M1 plus M2. M1 is 1, M2 is 3. Okay, so this here we have 1 into 2 plus 3 into minus 2 upon 1 plus 3 for x coordinate, and for y coordinate we have 1 this is M1 no 1 into y2. 8 plus 3 into y1 is 2 upon 1 plus 3. Okay, so their sum is minus 4 upon 4. Okay, pxy is for x coordinate minus 4 upon 4, and for y coordinate this here we have 14 upon 4, which will give us minus 1 upon, this is divisible, minus 1 upon 1, so minus 1, and this is divisible by 2, so 7 upon 2. So coordinates of point P are minus 1 and 7 upon 2. This is x coordinate, this is x coordinate, and this is y coordinate. Okay, now again we have here Q is also dividing line segment AB in 2 equal halves. Here we have got the ratio, so Q is dividing in 2 equal halves. So QXY, using the same formula, coordinates of Q, which are x and y, will be given by midpoint section formula, which is x1 plus x2 upon 2 and y1 plus y2 upon 2 for the midpoint. Q is the midpoint. No, I have explained it why Q is the midpoint. So for the midpoint, x1 plus x2 upon 2 and y1 plus y2 upon 2. x1 minus 2, x2 minus 2 plus 2 upon 2, and for y coordinate, y1 plus y2, 2 plus 8 upon 2. So minus 2 plus 2 0, so 0 upon 2 will be 0 as it is, and this is 2 plus 8 upon 2, which is 10 upon 5. So this is, sorry, 10 upon 2 it is. Okay, 10 upon 2, 10 upon 2. So 10 upon 2 is 5. Okay, now coordinates of point Q are 0, 5. X coordinate is 0, y coordinate is 5. Okay, now again we have one more point. We have one more point R. Okay, so point R is dividing AB in ratio 3:1, means these 3 equal parts and 1 equal part. So 3:1. Okay, so coordinates of R using section formula will be, see, ratio of division is m1 is to m2, which is 3:1. So m1 is 3 into x2. So 3 into x2 plus 1 into x1. x1 is minus 2 upon 3 plus 1. Now for y coordinate, m1 plus x2 is m1 into y2. I am saying plus, it is multiplied. m1 multiply y2 is 8 plus m2 multiply y1 is 2. So 1 into 2 upon 3 plus 1. Okay, so this is 4 upon 4. This is 6, and it will be minus 2. Okay, so 6 minus 2 is 4. So it's 4 upon 4, and for y coordinate we have, this is 24 plus 2. So 26 upon 4. Okay, so coordinates of point R, x, y are 1, and this is 26 upon 4, no, divisible by 2. So 13 by 2. Y coordinate is 13 by 2. Hence, the points which divide AB, the join of AB, this is A and this is B. Okay, the join of AB in 4 equal parts are, this is the first point, and coordinate of first point was minus 1, 7 upon 2. This is the second point, its coordinate were 0, 5, and this is the third point. This is, and coordinates of this point are 1, 13 upon 2. Okay. What was given in the question? In the question we were given that there are 2 points and the coordinates of the 2 points are given, and we have got a line segment joining these 2 points. Line segment is AB, and we were told that AB line segment is getting divided or being divided in 4 equal parts by some 3 points. So we have assumed those 3 points PQR. Okay, and PQR is dividing AB in 3 equal parts, means this is AB is equals to PQ is equals to QR is equals to RB, and using this equality only we will find the ratio of the division of the 3 points. Okay, then using this ratio of division only we will find their coordinates using section formula, as coordinates of end points A and B are given. Okay, so it seems little lengthy, but it is not lengthy. It is very simple and easy question to be solved. Okay, so if ratio is not given, in this way you will find the ratio of the